So this is gonna start with me washing the chicken. You can use any part of the chicken, but this is the legs that I had available, and I'm making meal prep for a few days. So I'm just gonna make this big old one pot meal and keep it moving. I also have some little fingerling potatoes that I got from the grocery store, and these are the potatoes I'll be using. However, yes, because I know someone's gonna ask, you can use any potato. Bam, cut up your onions just like that. Now I'm gonna make a spice mix, and I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of everything I have here except for the salt. You don't want to put all that salt, but 2 tablespoons of everything except for salt. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. I have an orange, garlic, and hot pepper rings, and all of that will be going down in the chicken. So it will be very well seasoned, full of flavor. I don't do under-seasoned food. And so you want to put 2 tablespoons of all your spices. You don't even have to use these spices. Use spices that you want to use or what you have in your house, and you're good to go. Alright, so right here I have my potato, onions, and orange zest all on the chicken already. Everything's nice and clean. We're going to season it all the way together, period. I don't have time to be separating nothing. Put it all in a bowl and season it. I'm going to use about 3 or 4 big spoons of the seasoning. You will have some left. You can just, put it in an airtight container, and it could stay fresh and good for like 6 months, and you're good to go. So mix this up. Your chicken should look like this. Look at this chicken leg. You see how it's seasoned? It's seasoned, okay? Until your ancestors tell you to stop, your chicken should look just like that. So on top of this, I'm going to add the garlic cloves. I'm not even going to chop them. It's no point. And then I'm also going to add the hot pepper rings. You could add jalapenos if you don't like this one, or they're actually optional, but I like that extra pepper flavor in here. And then I'm going to put the juice from the orange that I had, and then I'm going to cover this and bake it at 400 degrees for 45 minutes and uncovered for 45 minutes. And this is what it's going to look like, you guys. Perfectly brown, charred, delicious, tender, and cooked. And I'm going to plate it up and let you see what it looks like. This chicken was so easy and simple to make. It's great for any night of the week, and it's super flavorful and super tasty, and you basically did barely anything. One pan, you just wash your one pan and you're done and over with. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you try it, tag me and let me know what you think. Also, comment below any requests that you guys may have. And thank you so much for watching. Look how tender that meat is. So tender and delicious. And I'll catch y'all next time. Bye, y'all. Oh, y'all, that was my husband trying to steal a piece of potato when I was taking pictures. But love you guys. Bye.